David Warwick of Warwick Chiropractic in Lacey Olympia, Washington, and we have Sam here, and she has said it's good to share with you so you can learn about people that have migraines and that suffer with migraines and how chiropractic can benefit people. So we've gone through some of the techniques and styles with her, and it has definitely helped. So we're getting her ready for a brief trip. And one of the things we look at is the upper cervical, and that tends to be C1, C2. So Sam, go ahead, turn your head to the left for me. Head left. There you go.
Turn left.
Just your head.
Okay.
Let it rest on the table. So turn your head left. Let your right ear rest on the table for me.
Okay. I have a hard time hearing myself.
That's fine. That's fine. Okay, back to the middle. Turn your head to the right. Good. And back to the middle. I want you to tuck your chin to your chest and relax. Good. Okay, so we are checking range of motion on the cervical vertebrae, and there's a particular instrument I like to use with people that suffer with migraines. Not only do we use our hands, but we use various tools. And so the atlas bone can misalign in 21 different directions. So I'm using an instrument that actually adds a certain direction of correction to it, but also adds what we call a torquing motion to it. Good. Breath in, relax out. So she had come back in earlier this week and had the migraine left side. Now it's just down to the temple area. And I think we only had one adjustment this week, didn't we? Sam, we only had one adjustment this week?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, so we're going to adjust the second vertebrae, C2. Good. Breath in and release it out. I also like to use the laser on people that have migraines. So I'm going to bring that right to the temple area. And what the laser does, it's a cold laser that reduces inflammation, increasing ATP in the mitochondria or cells. So we're going to get the proper protocol on there for migraine. We're going to set that on the left temple right here. And you might be able to see the light, especially if I turn the light out here. You can see there's two lights on here. We're down toward the left temple. There's a blue light and an infrared light. So we're going to bring that just a little bit closer. Good. Right there. Perfect. Okay. Take a deep breath in. Blow it out. Good. Another deep breath. And out. Good. And now I'm working on some of the pressure points. And what I noticed on her is that a lot of the muscles, I believe you're right-handed, correct?
Yes.
A lot of the muscles on the left side of her neck, very tight through here. So we're doing some pressure point work right through there to help release some of that. These are just some of the things that we do to help people. How you doing? You good?
Good. And a easy stretch right here. We're going to bring the head to the side. Good. Good. Good job. And another one right there. Good. And I also use the instrument to help release some of the pressure and the restrictions in the upper mid back as well. So we're adjusting right upper back right here. And we're going to work on some of the pressure points as well as the T1 rib. Big breath in and release it out. How you feeling since we've been doing it? Good? Really good.
So if you're going to be traveling, lots of water, increase your sodium and potassium as well. And after today's visit, I want you to ice back of the neck mainly. You can ice the temple area as well here.
Okay.
Okay. I'm Dr. David Warwick of Warwick Chiropractic. If you suffer with migraines, headaches, see a chiropractor today. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.